YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Click on my affiliate link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We have, what, 3 months, 4 months till Santa Claus comes down. And you might want to add this to your list. Coming from CZNGY. 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Fast charge. Smart LED indicator. Intelligent protection. And foldable design. Oh, sweet. So this would be good for your office, your home. Especially if you're on the road and do a lot of vlogging. This would be a nice one to get. Another, like, probably for, what you call it, TikTok. You could do the long portrait style. So, 1 wireless charger, 1 adapter, 1 cable, and 1 manual. This is for Galaxy Buds Plus Live. Yeah, see what live stream you could do. This would be a nice little stocking stuffer, you know. Or just a gift for a co-worker or friend. Maybe a giveaway you could do or something. But for the price, it's really affordable right now, so definitely check on CZNGY and see what other goodies they have to offer. Because you never know. I think they have these for iPhones too, so, but this is the Galaxy and others. I think this was like under 40. Here we go. The box out. Let it breathe. And there we go. 3-in-1. So here's manual. Oops. Manual. Don't need that. Should be easy. Here is the USB cable. Oh yeah, this is a long size. Cool. I gotta find a spot. Well, I gotta replace my old one. And I'm gonna put the new one there, so this will be in my computer room. Or office. Or whatever you want to call it. And here's the power adapter. Should be like a USB phone style. Yep. Amazon orange right there. CZGY. Alright. And now here she is. Ooh, there's a nice felt to it. You guys can see. Super lightweight. I thought this was a speaker. Maybe a fan. This is where you put your earbuds or headphones. And this is where you put your watch. And it'll charge your watch right there. But I don't have a watch. I don't wear watches. I got my phone. Here's the LED indicators. I've never been a watch person though. And then that's where you plug it in. USB style. Right here. Bada boom. Take this. Bada. Come on, baby. I actually got a spot right here. I could just plug this in here instead of going to my computer. So like this. Keep this like this. Oops. Down she goes. Right there is good. You guys can see. Indicators. Check this out. Oh yeah, it's pretty low. This is perfect. There it goes. See, I think this phone will do the trick. See. There we go. Because this phone is completely dead. I haven't charged it in a few weeks. So it might take a few seconds. Or it might be the wrong kind of phone. I think it's only for like Galaxies. But I was trying. Oh, indicator 1 is for iWatch, iPhone, earphones. I think it. So this is, yeah, it should be. Or you can have it this way. See if I could. Maybe give it a few minutes. Okay, I got it working. So now it will charge when it's ready. It will stay like solid green. So, well, this is the way you can have it. Either this way, if you want to watch your shows or whatnot, YouTube videos, you can have it this way. Or if you want to do like a live stream, if you're at your computer, or just like a Zoom call or whatever, talk to your friends, this would be the way to do it. And like I said, you can have your watch charging right there, and your AirPods or earbuds, whatever you have, whatever you use. It's up to you. But definitely check them out. Affiliate link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.